In today's video, we are diving into the 6 must-have watch faces for your Apple Watch in 2025, showing you how each one works, why it's worth using, and my top customization tips to make your wrist truly stand out. For maximum info at a glance, the Modular Duo face delivers two large complications alongside crystal clear numbers, making it perfect for monitoring weather and calendar events in one streamlined view. As a bonus, using low-power complications like UV index or sunrise sunset helps extend your battery life even further throughout the day. The contour watch face pairs bold numerals that hug the bezel with seamless curves for instant legibility, making it perfect for quick glances throughout your busy day. Its vibrant duotone color options add personality while keeping just one complication ensures the display stays clean, uncluttered, and easy to read at any lighting. Plus, its minimalist but striking design makes a subtle style statement no matter your outfit. For the data junkies, the Infograph Modular face lets you pack up to 8 complications into a single view, giving you real-time access to metrics like heart rate, stock tickers, and shortcut buttons all at once. Its customizable grid layout means every piece of information sits exactly where you want it, so you can prioritize your top data points. Just be mindful of balance. Overloading it with too many complications can clutter the dial and defeat the purpose of quick glance clarity. For a blend of timeless charm and modernity, the California face pairs classic Roman numerals with sleek contemporary design, bridging heritage watchmaking with Apple's innovation. The wide dial offers crisp readability, while customizable numeral styles let you fine-tune the traditional aesthetic. With no complications cluttering the display, it delivers pure minimalist elegance, perfect for formal events where its luxury watch vibe pairs seamlessly with dress attire. The X-Large face prioritizes accessibility and simplicity with giant digits and a single strategically placed complication, either battery or date, making it perfect for low-vision users or anyone wanting maximum readability. Its ultra-clear design shines during workouts where you need instant glanceable metrics like heart rate or elapsed time without breaking your flow. The oversized numbers are visible even through sweat or when your hands are busy. And that's it. These 6 Apple Watch faces cover everything from data-packed dashboards and dual time zones to personal photos and ultra-readable designs. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments down below. That was it for me today, and I'll catch y'all in a next video.